First you choose your OS, by default this one, that's fine. Then go into the settings, and that's a good name. Enable SSH, and password is going to be raspberry. So raspberry, okay. You can configure your Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi at home. Set this to Switzerland or wherever you are. And why not time zone? Keyboard Swiss, I guess. And that's good. Now choose your storage. Now make sure you don't delete your hard disk. Volumes boot, that is good. Also check the size. I've got a big SD card. Your hard disk is generally going to be around 500 gigabytes. So if it's very big, don't delete it. And that's it. Yes, it will be deleted. Here we go.